Okay, I have put just put some etch primer on here just to stop the flash rust, keep that at bay. As you can see here, I've put in a repair panel where we had the V from the manufacturing, so we've put a panel in there. I did have to replace, I'd looked at the lip as I previously said, and up here there was a piece. This is what was in there, obviously like that. So we've cut that out and replaced it with a new piece. We still have to do something down here, put in something from here to here, so that when we put the wing on that has this outer edge, we need something in here and here and here. So we'll have to do something there. And then the other place I've got to look at, do some work on, is this area here. We're going to cut some of that out and replace that. Now obviously, that being inside the wheel arch, it's a real struggle to video anything there, so I'll just show you it now and show you it once I've done it, because like I say, I'm just going to cut out something along those lines, maybe have this lip on as well, and then just cut that out, weld a piece in. Thing to bear in mind, of course, is what's actually behind there. Just feels like a load of goop at the moment. As you can see, just a big lump of panel sealant, so I have to clear out some of that, and there's some of that. This is sound deadening, so I have to make sure that doesn't go up. I mean, that's part of the problem here, is trying to weld this in without setting light to anything. Okay, so I cut this out of there. See, pretty corroded. I also discovered at the same time as when I took this piece was on top of this lip, totally rotten, and the bottom piece was too. So obviously we've done some repair in here as well. I was just trying to clean all this goop up. All of that goop in there was sort of holding part of it on, so we've repaired some of that in there. Obviously it's not the neatest, but limited access. But so now we'll make a panel to go around here, and we'll have a lip coming this way, and it'll be welded along the bottom here. I've had to clean out all the goop up here just so I've got something to weld to. Okay, so we've put in a panel here. There was a bead in it, so we put that in as well, just to continue it. So we've gone along here and down here, and then at a right angle came out. And then actually, because the bottom was rotten too, we just put a small lip L-shaped piece in here, ran it across there, and so it still looks like it did before. We still need a little bit of seam sealant in between there, but yeah, effectively, well, that rotten piece is now gone. Just for as an example, that was the offending piece. So we've cut that out, rebuilt this lip, rebuilt the lip underneath, so it still looks the same from. We have inserted a piece here. Note that it has to be inside the thickness of that metal, so that the outer piece still come down and then can be flush here. Obviously there was some, the original piece was down here. Maybe I should just cut it off, but and there was this thick strengthening piece here. So yeah, I just joined into that. It's a little bit messy, but doesn't really matter that much. So we've built that from this side. So yeah, now if rain or any water comes down on this inner lip, it follows all the way down and out the bottom. And obviously the outer lip has now got something to come up against. So from an inner wheel arch repair perspective, I think we're back to solid metal all the way around here. We did repair a piece in here, as I've already said. We've repaired down here. We've put in a piece here to repair that. Obviously we've got the outer seals going to come round and join onto that. We've repaired all in here. We've repaired a bit here where there was a hole. We'll put some seam sealant into there. We've also gone around here, cut all that, all the loose stuff from there. Just showed you this repair here. So I think in here we're done. But what you can see hanging down here is this edge here, this panel, and it's been bugging me. Now whether I just cut it off and put a new edge on. It is held on by a couple of spot welds here and here, and I think there's actually another piece that comes out here. So there is a step there. I've seen a few videos on YouTube about them. The other point is that I don't think you can see up here very well, but I want to clean all that up as well. And up here, this side out here is fine. This piece looks okay for the main part of it, but that piece there looks a bit suspect, particularly at the end here. Now what I might do is just cut it off there, and then I can take this on the bench and repair, put in a piece here and a piece on the other side, because obviously it's suffering here too. So I might just cut that off. I have had a look around. You can get a replacement part, but they want 50 quid each. The other side suffers from the same problem. So really I am just gonna, in a separate video from this one, I'm gonna repair this and clean up all in here, ready for some epoxy. We've already taken off the exhaust mounts here, that we can paint those at the same time. Yeah, so we're going to do that, but that's going to be in another video. I think although it's a very short video, you can see we've fixed all of the inner seal issues, and that'll close off this video, and the next one will all be about fixing these and cleaning all that's in here.